Hey, hi guys. So let's discuss how to capture the screenshot while running the test script using Playwright automation tool. Okay, if you are new to Playwright automation tool, please go to my playlist and watch every video. You will get fully understand about how we can develop this kind of code and how we can interact with web elements using Playwright automation tool. Okay, so before that, let's run this program. Okay, go to terminal and just trigger one command, that is npx playwright test. Okay, basically we are using Node.js to run these kind of programs. Okay, so program is running. It is clicking on new create new account. Okay, so yes, it is giving us the error. It is expected. Okay, it is assertion is giving us the error, that is expected was to be truthy. Okay, but received false. So it is expected. But in that particular result, you can see there is no screenshot. Okay, if we want to integrate the screenshot, okay, what we need to do? We need to just open the playwright config. Okay, in that under use section. Okay, you have to just configure screenshot keyword. Okay, screenshot, and you can just on it. Okay, here you can see that we go will get four condition. Okay, if we make it off, then it will not capture any screenshot. If make it on, it will capture a screenshot on every iteration. If we make it on first failure, so it will capture when your program fails first time. Okay, on only on failure it will capture screen when every time your program fails. Okay, so we'll select only on failure. Okay, so as you know, our program is failing because of that particular assertion issue. Okay, just click on, just re-trigger your test using Node.js. Okay, it is running. Great. Yeah. So guys, again it is failed. Okay, but this time we have screenshot. Okay, so likewise you can integrate screenshot into your framework. Thank you guys. Bye.